At the end of May, LVRS President Nate, LVRS Treasurer Tess, and LVRS Board Member Tyler went to visit LVRS Board Member Diane's rose garden in Albertus, PA. Containing around 120 David Austin roses, it's certainly a sight to be seen. Many of the roses were not yet in bloom, but 2 weeks later Diane texted these two short video clips of the first flush in her garden. Diane had no prior experience with growing roses, but a large property that provided an opportunity for a wonderful formal rose garden. In 2017, she decided to reach out to Michael Marriott, the head rosarian for David Austin Roses, who helped her come up with a design featuring 136 roses. It was certainly a learning curve, and unfortunately in the first couple of years, Diane lost 16 roses to various pests and diseases, including the dreaded rose rosette disease. She tapped into the wonderful wealth of American Rose Society's resources, the Consulting Rosarian Manual, demonstration videos, and webinars to learn more about caring for roses. Having come up with a regular deadheading, pruning, and fertilizing schedule, her roses have never looked better.